Last week and the week before, this week is going to be a cakewalk out there. We've got sunshine, a few high clouds, but it just looks beautiful through the downtown Skycam. 57 degrees right now in Des Moines. The wind, though, has been a little wicked out there. Coming in from the west-southwest, about 21, a few higher gusts, and at times it has been making it feel a bit cooler out there. But at least it's coming in from that warmer direction, coming in from the southwest. Across the central Iowa area, winds right now about 15 to 25 miles per hour, and we're expecting it to be kind of a breezy week overall. Here's your 12-hour forecast. The strongest winds continue through about mid-afternoon, then they're going to be backing off as we head toward the evening. Highs today will top out a little bit above average in the low 60s and then stay in the 50s through about 6 or 7 o'clock. So pretty good evening for grilling out there. And overnight doesn't look too chilly either, staying above freezing across much of the viewing area. Then get ready for an amazing election day. The weather out there shouldn't be stopping anybody from getting out to the polls. Afternoon highs into the low 70s. A little bit breezy, yes, but well worth it. And by the time the polls are closing, readings will still be in the mid 50s. Right now, that's where we are. 55 right now in Fort Dodge, 57 in Ames, but already 61 degrees in Grinnell. And we do have a few high clouds coming through across mainly the northeastern half of the state, but here is the final batch extending back toward Ida Grove and Denison. It is moving off to the southeast, so the clouds will be kind of filtering the sunshine for the next couple of hours before they're heading out. And really, that's the only thing going on across the upper Midwest is quiet. Great news if you've got any travel plans anywhere across the region. Let's take you hour by hour. We're in for a great week, but changes coming by the weekend, so we'll take you all the way through Monday. This afternoon, high temperatures near 60 degrees, just a little bit breezy. Even warmer tomorrow, either side of 70, widespread sunshine. Picture perfect weather. Wednesday we'll have a few more clouds coming in, so that may take off a couple of degrees from our highs, but still Thursday readings similar, upper 60s, low 70s. More of the same weather on Friday. No, we're not getting tired of it just yet. As we head towards Saturday, a few clouds on the way, highs still warm near 70. Great week to keep those windows open. As we head towards Sunday, though, readings top out on the warm side before rain comes in, and we're expecting rain to continue Sunday night into Monday night too, and then look what happens. It turns downright cold for next week, so get out there and soak up this beautiful stretch of weather. Once again, today will be the coolest, at least until the end of the weekend here, with highs near 60. Low 70s move in on your election day. Everybody's a winner with that kind of weather. And then for the rest of the week and into the weekend, highs stay in the upper 60s, low 70s. Overnight lows really not too bad at all in the 40s and even 50s. There may be some near record warmth conditions over this next week. Rain comes in Sunday to Monday, cooling things down.